The factors influencing choice of channels of distribution, as you know, can be classified under various heads. Product related factors, competition related factors. On the basis of that, apart from that, we have company related factors and definitely the market related factors. Now we are going to first of all identify out of these four group of factors which one is pertinent or which one is applied here. First of all, there are some lines which states the product or the machinery, sugar testing machinery which they have brought, they are highly sophisticated and hence the visits are required to be made by the company personnel themselves. So that sort of feature speaks about some technical aspect of the product and hence it refers to first case, product related factors. We can have some discussion regarding these product related factors here. The product related factors can be summed up into two. If the value of the product is very high, that is, it's a very costly product, it prefers short channels of distribution if the products are costly products or high price products. Whereas if the products are less costly, then indirect channels can be referred to. The second factor which might come into the consideration is the complexity of the product which is applied here. ये जो sugar testing machine आ रहा है, that is highly sophisticated. If you directly supply it to the hospitals or the different departments, the persons are not sophisticated enough, not educated enough to deal out with that sort of machine. So definitely it requires an extensive training for them. So whenever the degree of complexity of the product is involved, if the products are complex, then shorter channels are definitely preferred. So सबसे पहले हो गया if the products, value of the product, complexity or degree of complexity involved in the product, and ultimately the nature of the product. The nature of the product can be consumer goods or industrial goods. Normally industrial goods are complex, hence they require shorter channels, and consumer goods are more or less generic in nature, hence for them longer or indirect channels can be preferred. So that is the product related factors for you. The second group of factors which is concised here in the question is something to speak about the organization itself. For example, the line, since lot of money has been spent on import of the machines, the company was short of funds to pay additional staff. So financial problem of the company is speaking about, and hence it is referred to the company related factors. The company related factors can be grouped into two varieties, or the discussions can be made on the basis of two varieties. First of all, the financial strength of the company, and secondly, the degree of control which the company wants to exert on the market. Financial strength of the company. If the company is having huge financial resources, it's an agent company, for example Unilever or Lipton etc., which has functioned in the market for many years or of prolonged years, then there is no doubt of capital. Definitely in that case the company is financially strong. They can adopt direct channels of distribution there. But however, if they are not financially strong, establishment of direct channels requires huge sort of capital expenditure. For them it is not affordable, so they will go for indirect channels. And coming up to the second one, if it wants to exercise perfect control on the market related factors, definitely we go for direct or shorter channels. तो इस तरह के केसेस में हम लोग को ये दोनों चीज दिमाग में रखना होगा, जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में पॉइंट ए इज हाइलाइटेड आउट. The next category which is referred to here, that was the question there. It refers to the market related factors. Since the order of size is not large, a detailed study of the factors is required to be made. So that refers to the market related factors. The market related factors, size of order, which is discussed here. If the size of order is not very high, then in that case direct channels is preferred. Whereas if the size of order is huge, it cannot be distributed out, supplied by one particular wholesaler or retailer. So in that case, larger channels involving a larger number of intermediaries are preferred here. So apart from that, some other factors which might come into the category might be geographical concentration, of the buyers. If the buyers are geographically concentrated, then in that case direct channels can be preferred. For example, cotton textile industry. Any raw materials involving the cotton textile industry can be found in Western India, Gujarat, Maharashtra, etc. So in that cases, the distribution channels are confined to those areas only. So they are geographically concentrated. We can directly go for direct channels of distribution. Apart from that, the quantity of purchase, that is what is referred to as the size of the order, and nature of the market. If it's a market for industrial goods, then in that case direct channels are preferred because there are large number of buyers are relatively less. Whereas if it's a market for consumer goods, we go for indirect or longer channels of distribution. So these three factors are considered here in the context of the question, and we have also discussed with reference to the question factors affecting selection of channels of distribution. Right? So that's about the company related factors, product related factors, and the market related factors for selecting the right choice of the distribution.